So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with playing sound. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to find your Bluetooth headset. Now you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And you now want to go through all the steps that come up here. So we're going to click on yes, open audio enhancements. And now this might come up. You're going to click on open volume mixer. You want to increase the sound of your headset. And then click on next. So you just want to go through all these steps pretty much. You can now disable all enhancements right here, and then click on OK. So just go through all the steps of the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. Click on it, and then click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. Now once you complete both these steps, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.